that we have a very unique vision. And I think that's what makes Mark and I so unique, is that we definitely have our own ideas and not many people understand them. And so for Randy to be able to like take that and run and maybe just listen and try to like really get what the look we're going for and our vision, I think it was really important for us, because there's a lot of people that we spoke to that they wanted to make it their own and not ours. And so with Randy, it's been so awesome that he can just really internalize it and make it happen. So it's been really nice.
Yeah, she had a vision and he put her vision down on paper and made it awesome.
Yeah, and we tweaked it together. It just kind of worked out that way. You know, we both had ideas. We kind of worked together as a team, so to speak, and just kind of made it happen. It's been awesome.
Randy's brought samples out for us to look at. We give him critiques and suggestions, and he goes back and flies with them and makes them what we asked for even better. So definitely very, very good to work with, and he helps us out and supports us with all of our unique ideas, as we call them.
Yeah, and he has great connections too. So he's always referring us to people and just understands that, you know, we have unique taste and want to have the people that will help us
with our vision
make that happen. So.
I'm sort of visual, so I have to see, you know, what I want. we really got to, you know, sort of design exactly what we want. So that was really my number one thing. I liked having, you know, number one, somebody where we could get what we really wanted, and number two, somebody who really cared about how they build things. And it wasn't just a job, it was, you know, really our kitchen. It's part of our house and where we're going to live. So.
We would ask him for certain things and he would do drawings and bring them to us and show them to us, and we would say, yeah, we like that, and then we might have a different idea to call and say, hey, could we change this? And he was really flexible and had a lot of good ideas as far as the detail work that he did. I can barely remember what the other kitchen looked like. Honestly, I mean, I know what it looked like, but this just seems like it should have always been here. It is better than anything I could have imagined. Randy's attention to detail was amazing. I just don't think my kitchen could be any more perfect.
In working with the client, it was clear that she wanted an island that was functional and gave the kitchen drama. Randy was able to capture my ideas and concepts easily. This island portrays all of that and more. Throughout this project, the attention to detail made this island a work of art. Randy has exceeded all of our expectations.